All right, back with another chip theory video. Here we're going to be discussing uh, F minor. Here we have the chips laid out starting on F. We're going to be discussing the natural minor relative to A flat major. So, giving us a pattern giving us the pattern of natural minor, which is a whole step, a half step, a whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Should give us four flats that will match the key signature of its relative major of A flat major. So here we have, starting on A, assuming this chip here is A, we're going to have F. This chip is F, not A. Assuming this chip is F, we have F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, and E. Of course, the F would be at the top here too, E to F. I'm going to leave it down here for now. So beginning with our pattern, we have a whole step, from F to G, and then a half step, another whole step, another whole step, a half step, a whole step, and then another whole step, right, to F, from E flat to F. So this leaves us our notes of the F natural minor scale. It's going to be F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, and F. Coming back down, we have F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G, F. Giving we now have the notes of the minor scale. We can talk about the triads of the particular natural minor key. We're going to have F minor, F, A flat, C for one position. Our 2 chord is going to be G, B flat, and D flat. Our 3 chord is going to be A flat, C, and E flat, which is major. The 4 chord of F minor is B flat, D flat, and F, or B flat minor. Our 5 chord of F minor is C, E flat, and G. Our 6th position chord of F minor is going to be D flat, F, A flat, D flat major. And finally, our 7th position chord of F minor is going to be E flat, G, and B flat, which is major. Now we can build our 7th chords atop each degree of the F natural minor scale. We have F, A flat, C, E flat, F minor 7. We have G, B flat, D flat, and F, which is going to be a G minor with a flat 5. For our 3rd position of F minor, we have A flat, C, E flat, and G, which is an A flat major 7. For For a fourth position chord of F minor, we have B flat, D flat, F, and A flat. There's going to be a B flat minor 7. For our fifth position chord of F minor, we have C, E flat, G, B flat, which is a C minor 7. For our sixth position chord, we have D flat, F, A flat, and C, which is a D flat major 7. And for our seventh position chord of F minor, we have E flat, G, B flat, and D flat, which is going to be our E flat dominant 7 chord. It's dominant 7 because it has a flat 7 or a minor third on top of a major triad. So E flat, G, B flat is major, and you add the minor third of D flat, and B flat to D flat. Those are the diatonic chords of the F natural minor scale. Let's talk about the inversions of these chords. Starting on the 1 chord, our F minor 7. You have the root F, the 3rd A flat, the 5th C, the 7th E flat. Move our root to the top, leaves A flat, C, E flat, and F. We have C, E flat, F, A flat. In the third inversion, we have the 7th E flat, the 1 tonic F, the 3 A flat, and the 5th C. Coming back down, we have C, A flat, F, and E flat. The 3rd A flat, F, the 7th E flat, and the 5th C. Like the first inversion coming down, we have the root on top, F, E flat, C, A flat. And our F minor 7 from the top down on the 7th is E flat, C, A flat, and F. All right, our 2 position chord was the G minor 7 with a flat 5, or D flat. As a flat 5 of G minor 7. So we have G, B flat, D flat, and F. B flat, D flat, F, G. D flat, F, G, B flat. F, G, B flat, and D flat. Coming back down, we have the 5th D flat, B flat, G, and F. We have our 3rd B flat, G, F, our flat 5, D flat. And the 3rd back down with the tonic G, the 7 F, flat 5, D flat, and the 3rd B flat. And we have F, D flat, B flat, and G for G minor 7 flat 5. The 3rd position chord is major, A flat major 7, A flat, C, E flat, G, C, E flat, G, A flat, E flat, G, A flat, and C, and G, A flat, C, E flat. Coming back down with the 5th E flat, the 3rd C, the tonic A flat, and the 7th G. Move the 5th back down. We have the 3rd C, the root A flat, the 7th G, and the 5th E flat. Move the 3rd back in this position, leaves us on the top, the tonic A flat, G, E flat, and C. Back to root position. We have G, E flat, C, A flat. Our 4-position chord is a B flat minor 7, B flat, D flat, F, A flat. B flat up, we have D flat, F, A flat, B flat. We have F, A flat, B flat, D flat. A flat, B flat, D flat, and F. We have our 5th F, our 3rd D flat, our tonic B flat, and our 7th A flat. With the 5th back down, we have the 3rd D flat, the 1 B flat, the 7 A flat, and the 5th F. We have the 1 B flat, 7 A flat, the 5 F, and the 3 D flat. Back to root position, we have A flat, F, D flat, B flat. For the 5th position chord of F minor, we have a G minor 7, G, B flat, I'm sorry, C, C minor 7, C, E flat, G, and B flat. The 5th of F, so F, F, G, A flat, B flat. C is the 5th of F, so C minor 7, C, E flat, G, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, C, G, B flat, C, E flat, and B flat, C, E flat, G. Moving back down, we have G, E flat, C, B flat, E flat, C, B flat, G, C, B flat, G, E flat, and B flat, G, E flat, C. For our 6th position chord, we have D flat, major 7, D flat, F, A flat, and C, F, A flat, C, D flat, A flat, C, D flat, F, and C, D flat, F, A flat. Coming back down is A flat, F, D flat, C, F, D flat, C, A flat, D flat, C, A flat, F, and C, A flat, F, D flat, or D flat major 7. And we have the E flat dominant 7, E flat, G, B flat, D flat, G, B flat, D flat, E flat, B flat, D flat, E flat, G, and D flat, E flat, G, B flat, B flat, G, E flat, D flat, G, E flat, D flat, B flat, E flat, D flat, B flat, G, and finally back to root position, D flat, B flat, G, and E flat for E flat dominant 7. That's the inversions for the chords of F natural minor. If we're going to have the harmonic minor, we're going to natural the 7th, or raise the 7th note from E flat to an E natural, which is going to give us an E diminished 7, E, G, B flat, and D flat. Again, if we take an E, the harmonic leading tone, it's going to raise the 3rd of the 5th position chord, which was C, E, G, and B flat, to give us a dominant 7 on that chord, C dominant 7, and a harmonic minor. The 3rd chord in harmonic minor will be augmented, or an A flat, augmented, A flat, C, E natural, G. And of course the root position chord, the 7th, will be F, A flat, C, E natural, or a minor, F minor with a major 7. And that's how you do the harmonic minor chords from the natural minor. Removing this, go back to natural minor. And those are the diatonic chords of F minor relative to A flat major.